everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now if I can get this right, this wood is Metasequoia glyptostroboides. Right, I've been practicing for a while and keep on messing it up. It's what's known as a living fossil. This wood was believed to be extinct. Its common name is dawnredwood, and there's fossil records going back 150 million years, and it was believed to have died out 50 million years ago. But in the 1940s, a few specimens were found in China, and then it's been cultivated, so it is no longer endangered in Europe, so we can turn it. So what we're going to do, I'm hopefully going to turn a natural edge bowl. I'm not sure if the bark will stay on this one, but we'll give it a good go. Now, with it being technically a softwood, as you can see, it's a very fast growing wood, and the grain is quite far apart, so it's going to be interesting to turn. It may get a little bit raggedy. We'll have to see how things go. We're going to do a natural edge bowl, as I've said. Whether or not we colour it will depend on how well it turns. So we'll get set up and we'll get started. Right, I've just set it in at a slight angle to try and keep this area, which is the lowest point, just a little bit higher on the bowl, just so we have more options when it comes to the design. So it is a little bit out of balance, but I am going to use tailstock just to keep it a little bit safer. Okay, we can get to a nice speed with it. Right, I'm just going to sharpen up and we'll get started. Okay, it's going to sharpen up again. I'm sure you can see it on the camera. The tear out on this side is just so deep. So we're going to have to keep the tools as sharp as we can and see how we get on. I have put a slightly deeper recess in than normal because I want the strength of the wood around it when I expand the jaws. Right, let's just see if I can just clean up this wood a bit further before I start sanding. Small. No, I think we'll just start sanding now. risking anything else being messed up. So I'm going to get ready for sanding. I'll let you watch the first bit, but then I'll turn it off and crack on while you go and put the kettle on. Well, that went a lot better than I expected it to. We managed to get rid of all the end grain. There's a couple of little bubbles in the top there, but I really don't mind them at all. But just look at that grain. That grain is absolutely incredible, and this swirl from this knot. I was going to colour it, but I daren't. It's just not fair. So we're going to do the opposite. We're going to use a clear sealer. Then we're going to put on a bit of Yorkshire grit to get it as smooth as we can. And then we'll put some nice normal wax finish on. So a normal cellulose sealer. It darkens the wood a little bit, but not half as much as a shellac-based sealer would. I can buff this in straight away. Right, I'll go and get the Yorkshire grit. Okay, on with the Yorkshire grit. The wings are difficult to get to with the Yorkshire grit or anything like that, so I'm just going to give them a little bit of extra attention. Okay, cool. Now with the isopropyl to clean off any excess grit. Let's see what it pulls off. Just let that dry off. And now one with a Hampshire sheen. I do like this dawn redwood. It's beautiful. Right, let's get this turned around. Like before, I'm going to start off with a bit of stale stock support. It won't last for long, but always be as safe as you can for as long as you can. I knew it wouldn't get long at the tailstock, but it's got to go because it's just impeding the ball gouge. I'm just going to make life a little bit easier for myself. I'm just going to head on into here with a Forstner bit, just to help me clear out a lot of this centre area without the grief. Felt a bit like a contortionist trying to get in there to do that cut. Right, I've just been told my lunch is ready in 5 minutes, so I'm going to put a halt to this now, and we will sort this problem when we come back. I'm back from lunch. I'm just going to quickly try out the small Hope hollowing out tool, just to see if this will give me a slightly better finish. Don't think it will, but as I've got one, I may as well give it a go. Nope, didn't think so. I'm just going to try a smaller bore gouge. We'll get there, I'm not worried. Right, well, I think that's as good as we're going to get it in terms of tool finish. So let's stand for a while. I'll let you watch the start and I'll bring you back in probably a couple of hours. We'll see where I'm at. Oh, they've managed to do it. I expected to be on sanding a lot longer than I was. I'm just going to put a bit of this sealer on the bark just to give it a little bit of a lift. I don't want to polish it or sand it up too high, but I just want to protect it a little bit, so I'm just shoving a bit of sealer in it just to firm it a little bit. Now time for the inside. Now we're on with the Yorkshire grit. Then, like before, we'll finish off with the Hampshire sheen. As usual, get that cleaned out with a bit of isopropyl. It's gone into the what's it called? Bark, that's the word. It's gone into the bark a bit, but I can just before I show you what we've done, I'm just going to put this on the buffing wheel just to push off the inside of the wings, because you can't get as much force downwards onto it as you'd like. Otherwise you're going to run the risk of knocking your fingers badly. So, right, let's see what we've done. Right, here we go, we finished. Metasequoia glibstostroboides, otherwise known as dawnredwood. And it surprised me in a lot of ways. With it being quite a wide-grained wood, I thought it may be a lot softer, a lot not finished quite as well, but it's come up beautifully. And we've managed to keep the bark on, which I'm really happy about. I'm glad I didn't colour it. I do have a few other pieces of this, so I may try colouring one in future, but with this figure in the wood here, it would have been a shame to try and hide that in any way at all. So anyway, there we are. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And don't forget, if you leave a comment as well, then you're going to be entered into a competition for when we get to 2,500 subscribers. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Well, there we go. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. Right, there we are. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. Right, there we go. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. Right, there we have it. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. In other words, dawn oak. No, jeez. Right, there we go. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. And there we are, finished. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. And there we are, we're done. Metasequoia glibstostroboides. Otherwise known